Hi guys, welcome to our Maverick automatic sliding door product page. On here you'll find all of the configurations of Maverick automatic sliding doors that we offer. One thing to note is the products listed on this page are what are commonly purchased or used in commercial buildings. So here you're going to find what is essentially most commonly used, and that's the bipart or 4-panel automatic sliding door system, where there are 4 door panels. The 2 outermost panels are stationary and the 2 inner panels slide open. That's what is commonly used in applications that require a larger net door opening, such as grocery stores or storefront entrances, like for hospitals or even some commercial office buildings. And then we also offer our 2-panel door system, which is the single slide automatic door system, and that is 1 moving door panel. The single slide door systems are handed. You could either have the moving panel open to the left or to the right. Those are the 2 most common automatic sliding door systems that you will see in commercial buildings. We do offer a variety of options with each door system, which if you click on any of the products below, an option drop-down menu will be listed. And we also offer how to order video and how to install video as well, which are within each product. But if you guys have any other question regarding the Maverick automatic sliding door system, please feel free to contact us directly at sales@autodoorandhardware.com, and we'd be happy to help you guys out. We are a USA manufacturer, and these Maverick automatic sliding doors are UL listed. I hope this gives you guys peace of mind that these products last and are quality products designed for the North American market. So again, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us, and thanks for choosing Automatic Door and Hardware.
Thank you.